I don't know if you know, guys, but we've got a housing crisis. There's a housing shortage. We've got people crying out for houses. And we need smaller units as well for single people, not just family homes. Does somebody want to tell the planning department that? Because at the minute, right, all we get is computer says no. We find a house, we think, yes, we can turn that into 3. We can help with the housing crisis. We can help with the housing shortage. And then planners come along and piss right on my chips. So what has happened here? Well, we wanted 3 flats. There's no parking. Newsflash, look on the bloody street. None of the houses have got any parking. But it doesn't matter because they were built before these ridiculous rules come in. Do you need the houses or do you not need the houses? So between highways, planning and all the other departments not liaising with each other, it takes months just for you to get a computer says no. What happens then? You go to appeal. You win the appeal because they got no bloody common sense and no reason to refuse you in the first place. All this costs money, all this costs time, and this is people's livelihoods we're messing with. Do you want the bloody houses or not?